Welcome to high protein SHAKSHUKA!
SHAKSHUKA originates from North Africa. Nearest translation means all mixed up. It's perfect for brunch, breakfast, and makes a delicious dinner. This takes 10 minutes to make.
10 minutes, for real?
10 minutes, right.
What makes it high protein?
You'll see. Okay, pan on high heat. We're going to go with a little bit of oil. Just a little bit, not too much.
We're using a wide bottom pan here. Is that kind of what you'd recommend?
Just it's going to give us more surface area for caramelization. I've one onion which I've chopped into half moon shapes. In they go. And add a pinch of salt with that.
Okay, lovely.
While that's slicing, we're going to decorate this with parsley, and I always hate wasting anything, so I'm going to take the stalk of the parsley, I'm going to chop it up, and we're just going to finely dice that and add that in, just so we're incorporating as much flavour as possible.
I'm cooking on a high heat here, so as this is a 10-minute recipe, everything's happening fast.
Yep.
It's pretty much Fast and Furious 13.
13, wow.
Oh, that was awful.
Was that a joke? Okay, once you've got that roughly chopped, or as fine as you kind of are
all
bothered,
mixed up,
in it goes. And we're going to fry that down.
A bit of greenery.
I have 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to roughly chop that as our onions are chopping down. In they go. Okay, 2 sweet peppers, also known as capsicum in Australia.
They call them that in most of the continent as well, capsicum.
Yeah, capsicum, man.
Yeah.
And then the quickest way to chop them, stack them. And then just slice them. We would chop 10 kilos, 20 kilos, 30 kilos a day, so we got quite good at it. Once you're happy, straight into the pan. Nice pinch of salt to break them down.
So very important, you'll see that we're adding a pinch of salt with each ingredient. We're seasoning as we go, very important.
So I could go with another red pepper, but I think there's enough in there. I'm going to put a little bit of, just a couple of cherry tomatoes, just for variety, for texture, for bite.
And for juiciness.
Yeah. So the tomatoes are going to bring a bit of moisture, just going to make it cook quicker because heat transfers 20 times quicker in water.
Pinch of salt as well.
Yep. The only thing that really needs to cook in this dish is the pepper. So just give them a tiny little bit of time. Time to add our flavour. So SHAKSHUKA is often spicy. So it will involve chili. A nice hack, we're going to use the Happy Pear spicy red pepper pesto. If you can't find this is so, I love this.
Where is that available? In Ireland and the UK?
In Ireland and the UK. In the UK on Ocado. But use what would traditionally be used in North Africa, known as?
Harissa.
Harissa
paste. Yeah, same type of thing. It's a spicy tomato-based chili red pepper.
So I'm just going to go with 2 or 3 tablespoons in here. And that's just going to add flavour, add spice, add a bit of richness, and just really make this dish easy. So we're using time-concentrated ingredients that are packed full of flavour that are going to make this dish quicker. 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, in it goes.
Obviously that's going to make the sauce.
And then finally I have 200 grams of beans of choice. So beans, high fibre, complex carbohydrate, and also approximately between 15 and 20% protein. So they're a great source of protein. Okay, we want to make this egg-free. We want to make this 100% plant-based. So into a bowl, we've got silken tofu.
So not to be confused with firm tofu or semi-firm tofu.
Yeah, this is silken tofu, 300 ml or 300 grams. And I think this is gorgeous stuff. And you might go tofu, eggs. When you see it, it's creamy, it's delicious, and it's protein-packed.
Yeah.
So literally into this, I'm going to pop a pinch of salt, just a little bit. And I'm going to go with a little bit of olive oil just to make them slightly enriched. And then just blend. It looks like a mayonnaise, doesn't it, the texture? It looks like perfect emulsion.
I don't use silken tofu that much. I'm going to start using it for sauces.
One top tip to take your cooking to the next level, and we will say it time and time again, is to season as you go. So let's just taste this before we start to finish off our disc. Literally just... Oh, it's lovely. Oh, Jesus, a fair bit of kick in that.
We put in 3 tablespoons, which was...
Oh, it's lovely. Happy with the degree of sweetness. That's the only thing that I've...
Ooh,
want some sweet?
Yeah, a bit of spice. Yeah, I go with a little bit of sweet.
So a little bit of sweet is going to balance the acidity from the tomatoes, but it's also what it's going to do is help bring the dish together and help make that spiciness just
I'd also like
some
some black pepper in it.
So we're going 8 minutes so far. Just to finish this dish, once you're happy, just pop on our egg whites and just try to keep them all whole.
Egg whites, aka our silken tofu.
Yeah, this is our high protein bit. We'll go with 3. Just literally take a little bit of our...
Oh, so they're spicy red pepper eggs.
Yeah, exactly. Boom. Just finish it off with a few sprigs of parsley around it.
Wow, it does look great, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little glug of oil. 10 minutes SHAKSHUKA. Traditionally, this dish is often seen as a working class dish where people would eat it out of the cast iron pan. They would traditionally be a flatbread. We have our own sourdough. Literally pop it in and just taste it there. Here we are, just served on some toast. It is just
Like the spice and the savouriness
Like
and the
it's so
fluffness.
nourishing. It's so nourishing. It's delicious. It's protein packed.
I think I'm going to make that for dinner tonight.
10 minutes to make. Delicious, simple, easy. Check it out. And if you do make it, please tag us on social media, The Happy Pear. Thanks a lot for watching. We're The Happy Pear. Cheers.
Cheers, bye.